Hello, I'm Monica Puri and I'm a process engineer in Worli. We have been using AFT since 2017. In abroad, it was much more before. AFT is a very good software actually. It's helping our process engineers to do our work more quickly, more precisely. That's one thing. Um, Expectations in the world to the world AFT from the worldly side is more of we really want at least a liquid gas system together. That's we are sure that AFT will be able to model it and go ahead with it. And the good things, I personally feel AFT is making our life much more easier when they are concerning the complex networks, AFT impulse or water hammer studies, which are a bit not known to all the clients. We have to make them understand, but slowly but steadily it's coming up in the minds, and people are understanding the requirements and why it is required. And more these are going to grow up, and same as the other things like dealing with the compressible fluid, non-Newtonian fluids and slurry system. And I'm very positive about AFT that will improve the outputs and make our life much more easier. We have been working on AFT like since long time, but yeah, definitely there are new features which are added as extreme, like you can say the new line sizing model, and you can say the geo this model where you can actually play up or put parameters and get the results out. That's quite interesting, and we are looking ahead. And possibly we normally when we build the models, it takes a long time to build the steady states, because we are dealing with the systems with 86 or 100 plus users sometimes. And we are looking ahead, and these additional features which AFT is offering will make our life much more easier.